SOFI stock analysis and SOFI stock prediction for tomorrow and onward. Is SOFI stock a buy right now, covering like a SOFI stock forecast, SOFI stock price prediction today and onward. Like, let's talk about it. People are in a very big, they're in a denial, like, honestly. I've been like sitting here, I mean, by the way, I've been doing this for 4 freaking years, not like these newbies that have started doing this for like 2 months. Spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything, and I'm calling out moves like KULR's moves here. Like, I've been bullish on KULR. Like, once these YouTubers that you're watching, they have like AI voices, because I know you're watching all other videos on KULR right now, probably. And I've caught out like at some point of the, since October till now, it's gone up as much as 1800%. That's 1800% up. That's 18x, 43 days. The top. Now it's a little bit less because it retraced down, but if you want to know like what my KULR approach is, you can check that video out. But coming back to SOFI, it's not much different, you know. It's not much different, you know. I've also been covering this thing out for such a long time, just making these 1-minute videos, and I'm actually just sick of it, you know, because it began like when SOFI was down here, and I have like vivid videos. I have the proof with proof, like real videos here. The time sitting at 752, it was always just me looking things up. And if you watch these videos, you will know like what I'm talking about. 28th of August. This is in August, man. Like late August 2024. Since then, do you know how much higher we've gone up? At some point, we were the highest 122%. Took 2 months, you know, and the whole way up. Like, there's a reason why I see these links here. Just me taking things up. I'm not saying it's all wins. It's losses as well. And they're completely inevitable. Like, in order to get the wins, you must get the losses as well. Like, people that are trying to sell you this dream are, you know, oh, wins, no wins, you know, this, that. Bro, it's just fake liars. I mean, I'm starting to get fed up because I'm making these like 1-minute videos, and now there's people that freaking don't know bollocks, you know. Like, I'm talking, this might be like a very unusual approach to you. And notice where the price is heading. Now, let me show you some of like a few days back and what I was calling. Look,
I don't want to see breaks above.
This is January 12th, 2025. The time we're sitting like, what's the price here?
Right, though. It's going to be
14.15, right? How does this look like? Waiting for proper shifts. Guess where the price is now? 16, right? This is not something, you know, this is not something that just happens like this. Like, the bad part about this, yeah, the price is going up right now. Timing was phenomenal. It's gone up like in a matter of approximately 3 days, 20% up. No, yeah, you called it out. The real part about this, the double break just never got met, and it just seems to go up without me. You know, it's perfectly normal and perfectly fine. It's not just SOFI here. Notice how many other receipts I have here. Just a lot, man. Like, it's been crazy SOFI related. I mean, I don't have a freaking man, I really get mad about this, but I don't have like a $50 Patreon that I'm calling things out on, you know, and I'm giving these for free, man. This is again the guy I showed you who made 1000% on TNXP. Did I show you him? Yeah, this guy, 1000% on TNXP. Bro, I'm talking some crazy numbers, like. And the only thing, you know, that I want you to do, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, this is for stock, option, and future traders only. Click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. This is a very big call out to you. Read by 2,500 simple traders exactly like you, that they've actually started to figure it out, that it doesn't have to be that way. Like, we are way ahead of the curve here. People are just... Bro, if you're like watching a guy that has his comments turned off, and then he's just yapping about some trend lines, yeah, think again. I mean, I'm not even trying to be rude, but I've been there, you know. Like, probably you're not watching all these AI voices. Bro, these are just some Pakistani guys, honestly. Like, yeah, so I'm not even trying to be rude. The only thing that I'm waiting for right now is for potentially any types of like retracements in the price. If it gives the rules, then, you know, it's a whack of accumulation that I'm specifically waiting for. SOFI related, there's some like things here 2 hours ago. Pops 525 million personal loan deal. It shows continued demand. I love, because this is like the most recent news that we've been having. Buy Emilio Detilio shares of SoFi Technologies rolls after the fintech announced a sizable personal loan. Gain 4%, 16 afternoon tradings. blah blah blah. You know, so just kind of an insights on it. He said, we view the securitization. I have some hard time pronouncing it. Who cares? Positively, as it indicates continued demand for SOFI's paper and capital market conditions trading well. Then the analysts wrote. Then that said, we know that the 525 million amount is relatively small compared to the bank of fair value loan portfolio, blah, blah, blah. And the recent surge in interest rates may limit the continued improvements in the capital markets over the near term. That being said, I mean, I'm sometimes like I'm not really putting that on my head, like have that much. You know, it's totally normal to be ahead, like to be aware of like the condition state the SOFI is, you know, how it's actually hitting and what the hell's going on. But the only thing that I care about is for that day/swing trade, you know, like how can I capitalize so I can make the profit? People are like really thinking about stuff that they can't control. It's about like you can only control what you can control, you know. You cannot move the market, but you can look for your rules, and if the rules are met, you can pull the trigger. Whether it's gonna be short or long, shorts also work. No, it's not like they don't work. Options either, you know. So yeah, that being said, there's like if you get into a trading, you know, there's two games. There's getting inside a trade game and then managing trade game. If you want to learn both and exactly how I do stuff, taking me 4 years to understand, click the first link in the description. It's their free newsletter. And looking back here, yeah, I'm just gonna be patient. People are in a very big rush, and I'll probably just get this link here. I don't know why it's not on the chart. Suppose it needs to be here, because this is when I really call things out, way before anyone else. So yeah, if you want, you can check out like all these previous links as proofs. It all began here in January. Like it really began 28th of August, then it's the 2nd of October with those links. And I'm really proud of it, you know, really, really proud. So let me know what is your opinion on SOFI. Again, I'm not gonna say I'm because I keep repeating the other people's page. Who cares? You know, do whatever you like, but just like be aware of watching a YouTuber that has his comments closed off. Notice why. Like, no, just say like why. Yeah, probably that's why. And they just like show you like the one simple chart. Like, oh, who cares? Okay, that's about it. I'm not gonna go on these rants. I mean, if in case you can't tell, you know, I just get very, very emotional. No, I'm just kidding, but yet again, if you want to make more money trading in a simple and neat way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. It's read by 2,500 simple traders. If you don't want to, that's fine. You can stay here. I'll update you guys with the SOFI videos tomorrow as well. Stay tuned. No lies here, just straight up sauce. And for those of you who joined the Substack, expect a decent email. You know, expect a decent email because I'm sending an email, very saucy email, and I'm not gonna announce it to the public, but it's very saucy and it's upcoming. So you're not gonna want to miss it out. That's why I always say just join. Free.